What's up, my people? Welcome back again. Today, Sunday morning, right? Well, it's almost 1 o'clock now. But peeps, hear what I'm doing right now. I'm not cooking. I'm just seasoning up my meat, make it, marinated for later, right? And I want to show you the ingredients of what I'm using for my meat. Well, this is not meat, it's shrimp, right? So let me bring it on. Welcome back to Flint Food and Adventure TV. Please like, share, subscribe. Today on the menu is gonna be a stir-fried vegetable shrimp, right? That means that that's what we're having for supper. Lots of vegetable. I'm gonna dice up some potato later on to put in it, and that would be the supper. Right? Well, we have rice from yesterday, so we don't need no more. Otherwise, nothing else. But this shrimp dish can eat by itself. You don't need nothing else. So let me bring it out and show you what we're gonna be doing. As you can see, I have my shrimp, already washed in lime water and vinegar, white vinegar. Get it nice and clean. Right. So what we have here, we have some ghost pepper. This is ginger. And this now is purple basil. Really, it's really strong and nice, right? I grew it on my balcony. Also, we have some fresh thyme that I also grow on my balcony. Purple onions, green onions, and this is sweet point pepper, right? And then we have some tomatoes right here, right? You can see those tomatoes, look at tomatoes, we call them tomatoes because they're small like cherry. But these are called midnight snack tomatoes, right? It's black, and when it ripe, it look like that, black and red. It's called midnight snack. Very nice tomatoes, right? And before it ripe, that's how it look. See the green one? Over that purple color, and then when it ripe, it look like that. Midnight snack, good tomatoes. I also grow it on my balcony. So all of this now, plus we have some other seasoning over here. I'm gonna show you that we're gonna add to it. Not too much of it, just a little bit. As you know, this is cinnamon. Most people don't realize cinnamon can cook food. You think it's for tea or porridge. No, it's for more than that. And then we have some all-purpose seasoning. This is Maggi seasoning. We have some garlic, because we run out of fresh garlic. And this is red chili powder. And we have some paprika too. Yeah, we have some. We're gonna put a little bit of paprika, right? Sometimes the tongue is saying that name, I have my tongue twisted. But yeah, people, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna season up all of this and then make it stay for later. The time I won't cut them, I won't shred them, I just season up everything with it. And then later on now, by the time you're ready to cook it, it will taste good. See? So just watch and see what we're gonna do, my peeps. Make we season up. We're gonna throw everything inside that. Right? So let me put my camera down so you guys can see what time is it. All right, my peeps. So and when I'm doing all of this, I don't necessarily see, I'll show you. Ah. See, this is the lemon seed. Sure, so I wash it with lime with lemon. That's the lemon seed, which is all good. But we don't want the seed in it, don't we? So we just take the seed out. The next one. The next one, lemon seed. Alright. Then when I'm seasoning it up now, I actually leave a little bit of water in the bottom, right? Because I want to season the water, to marinate with the seasoning, which make it everything just cover it real good. Real people. So now I will throw in my ginger, but I need to cut this up, the purple basil. I need to cut that up. And those tomatoes, need to cut those up. But everything else, we're gonna just throw it in. Ghost pepper, ginger, purple onions, sweet point pepper. Right? And then what we want to do now, I want to cut these up. Right? I want to cut these up and then throw them in. I don't need the sticks, I just need the flowers, the leaves of my purple basil. And I'm going to season it up, cover it up with some tin foil and make it stay down, marinate it for later on. Later on, it even triple nice, man. It's come out real good because you set it. All right, throw that in. My little tomatoes. These tomatoes you call midnight snack. Don't do the green one and throw in it, you know. Not because it's not ripe yet, that don't mean it's not good. Yeah, man. Black and purple. When it's green, it's purple and green. And when it's ripe, then it comes black and red. That's why they call it midnight snack. I just cut them in two. And just drop them in. That's it. Alright, my people. See? Everything that's in it, right? So now we're gonna throw in some more. What we want first, we're gonna throw in some Maggi, you know. All right. And this is cinnamon. I know you guys must be wondering, cinnamon? Can cinnamon cook in food? Trust me, people. If you never tried, it's an experience for you to try. I've been cooking with cinnamon a long time, man. A long time. This is all-purpose seasoning. As you see, I'm not throwing too much in it. It's just a little bit of each, right? Then we have some paprika, right? Nice. This is red chili powder. And then we have some garlic. Nice, that is it. What I'm looking for now is basil, but this I already have basil in it, purple basil. I'm looking for, okay, oregano. That's what I'm looking for, oregano. Starting with you. And we're trying to get this thing open. Alright, nice. And that's that. Yeah, my peeps, so that is that for now. Right. Some black pepper. Although we have hot pepper in it already, but black pepper is more for flavor, not for heat. Black pepper nowadays don't have heat. One time it used to, but they screwed it so much. Alright, my people, so that is it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wet my hand, and my glove. And then we want to season up, mix it up, you see? Mix up all of this. By the time later on, we cover it down. Yeah, please, look at that. Okay. Nice. Yeah, my peeps, first time, everything is all good. So that bad boy season up. So no, all you do, just cover them down until later, 3 or 4 hours later, it's ready, marinated, seasoning on it. But you're gonna, once you start cooking, you're gonna put additive, right? To make sure everything good. But this is just to make sure it marinated in good seasoning, herbs and spice. And you want everything that you put in, you want to taste it. Okay? And then later on now, we have some vegetables we're going to put with it. Right? Some of my favorite vegetables. I'll show you too. I'll show you. Let me just mix my hand up. I'll show you my people. Let me show you one of my favorite vegetables right here. Right there. Look at it. Okay. I love this vegetable. Really, 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 really. Then fire roasted, which is good. And you can actually taste the charcoal or the firewood that they use, man. Everything. So we're gonna cook it up with some of that. And dice up some potatoes. Put in it. And that's the dish of the day. That's for supper. That's it. Alright, my people. So, no further ado, my peeps. That is it. Right? So just cover up my meat. Right? And this time I don't put no curry in it. Right? I just keep it simple. Right? The only thing I would put in it is some turmeric. I never put that on it. Right? Sometimes you just keep it nice and simple. But that's a supper. All I need. I could use a cover, but it doesn't. It doesn't wrap in the heat. When I put this on it, it keeps it locked in the flavor, right? That is it, my people. Alright, my people. That is it. Just a short clip to show you my recipe for my shrimp dish, which is going to be my supper. Right? Now, clean back my board off. And yeah, later on you'll see the finished product. Alright, my people, have a wonderful Sunday, man. Blessed every time. Enough love. Like, share, subscribe to Flint Food and Adventure, people. And just let me know what you think about this dish. See? Peace.